Hey, in this video we are going to learn how to create an account on Robinhood. To create an account on Robinhood through a website, follow these steps. Open up a preferred web browser and type in robinhood.com. Now click on sign up button, which is at the top right corner. Now select the region. After that, click on continue. You need to type in your first name in this field and last name here. After that, type in your email address on this field and type in a password here. After that, click on continue button. Now type in your phone number here. After that, type in your residential address. Now click on continue button. After that, confirm your address and you need to verify your phone number. Click on send by text or send by call. A text message with the verification code will be sent to your phone number. After that, type in your 6-digit code here and click on continue. You need to type in your social security number in this field and your date of birth here. After that, select the citizenship and click on continue button. After that, you need to select how much investment experience you have. Click on the options from here. Now answer these questions. Review the agreement and click on Agree button. As you can see that my account has been created. So that is how you can create Robinhood account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.